First, let's see how to add custom voucher codes that you've sold in other places, like on Groupon. Head to Promote and click on Voucher Codes in the left-hand menu. The tab called Promo Voucher Codes should be selected by default. If not, select this tab. Next, click the Create Batch button. Name the voucher with the name that the buyer will see on redemption, and set the value of the voucher. Enter your custom voucher codes, for example from Groupon, in the Custom Voucher Codes text box. You can enter from 1 up to 1,000 unique voucher codes. Each voucher code can only be redeemed once, and you must paste one voucher code per line. Choose if you want your vouchers to be partially redeemable by ticking the checkbox or leaving it blank. For example, if a voucher is worth $50 and is used against an order worth $30, the voucher will have a remaining value of $20. If checked, the voucher can be used against other orders in the future. If you leave this unchecked, then voucher codes will only be redeemable once, and the customer will lose any remaining value. You cannot edit this setting later. In the next box, you can set an expiration date for your voucher. The voucher cannot be redeemed after this date. Using the checkboxes, select which events you want your vouchers to apply to, or whether your voucher can be used for any event or store order. All done, you have created your voucher codes. When you have created at least one voucher code, a box saying Use Promo, Credit or Voucher Code will automatically appear on the checkout form for all of your applicable events. Multiple voucher codes can be used in the same order. Once a voucher code has been used, it will be crossed out of the batch on the voucher page. You can see which ticket buyer has used a voucher, as it will show against their order, on the Orders page. You can include voucher code information in your line item report when you export your order information. Sometimes your customers might contact you and mention that their voucher codes are not working. In this case, you can go through the following steps. Please check that your buyer is using the correct code, as voucher codes are case sensitive. Next, check that your voucher code can be used for the event they are trying to book. Go to Events, select your event, then Edit Event and Tickets, then scroll down to the Advanced Settings area. You will see a list of voucher code types. Make sure the checkbox is selected for your voucher code to work. That is all. You are now ready to create voucher codes.